Yo, you guys, Salim got a new car for his birthday. You gotta check this out.
Can't slide, you can't drive. Yeah. That's it.
That is dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Yo, Tony, this pink look good on you, bro. Before we get back into this episode, I'm gonna get you guys to hit subscribe right down below and hit that alert button, and make sure you follow us on Instagram at TooFastTV. What?
What happened, man? What's going on here, man? Oh shit, I got a birthday cake. I got a birthday cake. Oh, you guys are so sweet, man. That's hot. This is Uncle's choice of music. Let's go, guys. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Love you. Wish you all the best. Thanks for the real one. The realest. From the 6th to the 9th. Thank you, everyone, for the birthday wishes. Ricardo,
Make a wish, Salim.
you're a real maricon, but thank you. Guys, stand back. Okay? 6 feet. Now we can talk. So what's up, man?
What's up?
Don't touch my stick.
I need to put it against the was this car.
Okay.
You know why? Because the other one that
No,
belongs,
no, you can't. You have to use the other one.
but the wrong this one fit in this.
Show me, just.
Come, that's what I tell him, trying to show.
Okay, go. I have to be 6 feet away from you.
Okay.
Move, man. 6 feet, eh? Following the regulations, guys. Always following regulations. Okay, Ricardo, show me the radiator now.
This one fit.
Okay, let's switch sides. You go stand there. I will check. Go. 6 feet away, man. Move, man. Move. 6 feet. 6 feet. Let me check, man. Go. A little bit more. All right. Hold that, okay?
I hold it.
Yeah, it'll fit good.
The other one on this side.
I need my stick. Hey. 6 feet, man. You can't make a 5.5, eh? Oh my God, look, you're breaking my stick. This is 6 feet, bro. You're cheating the system. Camera guy. Go, bro. Alright, now we're good. Omar, are you ready to go?
Yep, are we gonna go?
You gotta walk 6 feet away from me. I'm gonna be in the truck. You walk. Later, guys.
I'm in the bed, is that far away now?
You deserve a smoke. All right. What you doing?
Just reminiscing.
You know it doesn't work, right?
Look at the dash, it lights up.
It lights up.
Alright, start it. Hit the start button. You won't.
I don't even feel safe standing here right now.
It's okay, we'll just WD-40 the whole block and it'll be golden.
Like his personality.
That's how we working, fam.
In all white.
Swagged out. What other shop, you know, niggas working swagged out?
Yo, I'm almost there, easy.
What happens? You come too fast, it's self-serve, you know?
I got it, just lock it for me.
Watch out.
We got a new guy here, his name is AZ. You guys might have seen him in the episodes before. He likes to come to work in all white. All white. All white hat, all white jacket, all white underwear.
And still gonna walk out shining clean.
Black in the middle. Oh, there it goes.
There it goes, bro.
Men's are dirty now.
Wow, that's sick, bro.
Yeah. Yo, you guys, Salim got a new car for his birthday. You gotta check this out.
Hey, well, I just got this today. Picked it up off the lot.
What are they worth?
This one right now could be yours for $549.99.
For my granddaughter.
Mercedes-Benz, baby.
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Dang-ish.
So high off this rubber.
You're laughing against every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.